Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Could you somehow survive, or is it an instant and inescapable doom? In today's video, we're diving into one of the universe's greatest mysteries to explore the strange, mind-bending physics of black holes and whether there's any chance of making it out alive. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. They form when massive stars reach the end of their life cycle and collapse under their own gravity. Imagine squeezing the mass of several suns into a space no larger than a city. This creates an object so dense and powerful that it warps the very fabric of space and time around it. At the edge of a black hole lies the event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross this boundary, you're at the mercy of the black hole's gravity. Nothing can escape, not even information. Beyond this lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where the rules of physics as we understand them completely break down. What happens here remains one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. So, what would happen if you fell toward a black hole? The answer depends on the type of black hole you encounter. Black holes come in different sizes, but the two main types are stellar mass black holes and supermassive black holes. Let's talk about stellar mass black holes first. These are smaller black holes, typically a few times the mass of our sun. If you were falling into one of these, your fate would be sealed long before you even reached the event horizon. As you got closer, the black hole's gravity would create an extreme tidal force, a difference in gravitational pull between your feet and your head. This effect, called spaghettification, would literally stretch you into a thin, noodle-like strand of matter. It's a brutal way to go, and no amount of preparation or technology could save you. But what about supermassive black holes? These monsters can be millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun. They sit at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Interestingly, the tidal forces near the event horizon of a supermassive black hole are much weaker because of its sheer size. This means you could technically cross the event horizon without immediately being spaghettified. You might even feel fine for a while, but once you're inside, there's no escape. You'd be heading toward the singularity, where the gravitational forces eventually become inescapable, crushing everything into oblivion. Now let's address the big question. Could you survive a black hole? Current physics says no. Once you pass the event horizon, there's no way back. But black holes are so mysterious that scientists can only theorize about what really happens inside them. Some theories suggest that black holes might not be the end of the road. Instead, they could be connected to wormholes, tunnels that link different parts of the universe, or even different universes. While this idea is more science fiction than science fact right now, it's an exciting possibility that physicists continue to explore. Another fascinating concept is Hawking radiation, proposed by the legendary physicist Stephen Hawking. This is a theoretical process where black holes slowly lose mass over time by emitting tiny amounts of energy. If a black hole can eventually evaporate, could something or someone trapped inside ever escape? At the moment, we don't have the technology or understanding to answer that. But as we push the boundaries of space exploration and quantum physics, who knows what we might discover? Black holes challenge everything we think we know about the universe. They're not just terrifying, they're also awe-inspiring. They remind us of how small we are in the grand scheme of things and how much more there is to learn about the cosmos. Exploring black holes isn't just about understanding their mysteries. It's about pushing the limits of human knowledge. So, could you survive falling into a black hole? Probably not. But asking questions like this drives our curiosity and keeps us exploring the unknown. If you enjoyed this deep dive into black holes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations of our universe. And don't forget to let us know in the comments, what would you do if you came face to face with a black hole? Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.